Still in the basement, where it started. Started from the started from the bottom, now we here. Courtside, you would think I was a Cleveland Cavalier. I'm talking 30,000 feet up in the air. And dance later, 30 minutes later, all the fans cheer. Bitch, you ain't seen this power since LeBron. I went to Vegas for my 22nd, ran it out the palms. Now they say Illuminati is the cause. Or maybe every one of y'all is lazy and I worked hard. I ain't never bowing down for $1. Selling my soul to a child. I won't even take a buck from my father. But they were saying that back in the day, when I was hustling tickets to my shows. Asked Dante and I heard Tempest eating up like a fillet. Talking about they run my city when they living in that lake. Sucker, I ain't hear nothing but a word. I talked about it, been about it, bitch, I got what I deserve. See, I don't know why everybody mad. You had your chance and you blew it. Meanwhile I'm young and I'm ruthless. Meanwhile the dumb are influenced, thinking you live like the music. Don't be foolish, my shooters make your face maroon like the Hoosiers. Suckers always wanna talk funny. Broke motherfuckers never wanna talk money. And since I was being quiet in the past, I'm on the top looking down, kiss my ass. Still in the game with my same clique. Still with the hood bitches, fuck Cambridge. And when they wanna know if I'm real, I say, bitch, I ran my city before I ever had a deal.
No new niggas, nigga, we don't feel that. Fuck a fake friend, where your real friends at? We don't like to do too much explaining. Story stay the same, I never changed it. No new niggas, nigga, we don't feel that. Fuck a fake friend, where your real friends at? We don't like to do too much explaining. Story stay the same through the money and the fame. Cause we
came in the game with no lane and it changes. These fuck niggas on saying in 10 different ways. They see you then smile in your face. You wanted me up, name the time or replace. I'm smoking the fire, my nigga, you know that it's fire. You smell it as soon as I blaze it. Burning a pound, burning a pound, burning a pound. Yeah, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. Started from the bottom, now we here. Had a dream about a car and went and got it in a year. All black trucks when we pull up to the Lear. All black coupe, I look like Bruce when I'm steering. Hope the homie Drake don't get pissed, but niggas never ever put your man on songs like this. And I probably said no to it before, but I made 20 million, so we should probably go on tour. And I just seen Waka the other day. He wasn't tripping, we just talked about the money we've been making. Cause we
started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here.
Bunch of young niggas, man, we all doing this shit.
Started from the bottom, now the whole team here, nigga. Started from the bottom, now we here.